want to ask you that your opponent, B.S. Yedurappa, he's already declared the date of, when he will take oath of chief minister's candidate. So how do you react to it, sir?
He has been telling since 1 week strategically, but he is mentally disturbed because he became desperate. Everybody knows, including Narendra Modi, Amit Shah, that BJP is going to be defeated in Karnataka.
You think he's what he's saying? You made a very serious allegation that Yedurappa ji is mentally disturbed.
That is what I can make out. See, he has been telling that election has not yet taken place. Before the election is taken place, he is declared that he is going to be chief minister. He will take oath on 17th of May and all that. It looks like that.
So another thing is that Narendra Modi also, the Prime Minister also, in the Pashupatinath temple he went, and how do you react to it, sir?
It clearly shows Narendra Modi came to know that BJP is going to be defeated in Karnataka. That is why he is going to the temples and other places. Otherwise, why?
Do you go to temples, sir?
See, I go to temple. I don't say that I don't go to the temple. I go to temple, but every day I don't. This puja, all these things I will not do.
You are saying that you don't make exhibition of it like this, going there.
Yes,
Sir,
you are absolutely correct.
Yeah, but the point is that people are saying that you vacated your seat for your son, Dr. Yatindra. But your own 2 seats, you are struggling, sir, because, even this GT Devagoda and your Badami seat also, you are not as comfortable as your son is here.
No, it's totally not correct. In Badami, I will win with big margin. I will win with big margin. In Chamundeswari also, I will win. In both the constituencies, I will win.
So, if JDS, sir, if there is a possibility of hung assembly, how do you think JDS, in all possibilities, it looks that JDS will be going to BJP?
There will be no hung assembly. That situation does not arise at all. Congress party will get clear majority. We will form the government on our own.
So, last question. Today Ashok Gehlot went to Election Commission. People are seeing as an indicator that Congress is little nervous about this. Today, Ashok Gehlot Sahab, your leader, Congress leader, he went to Election Commission, and people are... I'm sitting here with you.
No. For what he has gone to?
To complain about the, all these visits of Narendra Modi and all these election things. But do you think you are nervous? Your party is nervous?
Our party is not at all nervous. Our High Command is not at all nervous. To come back to power with clear majority. All our leaders, including Rahul Gandhi ji, they are confident, very, very confident.
You are saying there is no Modi wave?
No Modi wave. No Modi wave. On the other hand, there is no Modi wave. On the other hand, there is a wave in favor of Congress party.